Welcome to the SAP Enterprise Architecture Bootcamp preview. I'm delighted you've decided to explore this course, specially designed for beginners, business users, and IT professionals who are actively involved in or preparing for digital transformation initiatives. Today, organizations operate in increasingly complex business and technology landscapes. To succeed, they must clearly align their strategic goals with their technology investments. This alignment is precisely where SAP Enterprise Architecture or SAP EA becomes critical. But what exactly is SAP Enterprise Architecture? In simple terms, SAP EA provides a structured approach to connecting business objectives and strategies directly with IT capabilities. It helps organizations design, plan, and implement integrated business processes, technology platforms, and data standards. Ultimately, SAP EA enables organizations to streamline operations, manage complexity, reduce costs, and improve agility. In this brief preview, I'll clearly outline what you can expect from this bootcamp. The content is carefully crafted to emphasize practical, business-oriented insights, making it highly relevant and immediately applicable to your professional role. To illustrate these essential concepts, we'll explore real-world examples from Nestlé, a global leader known for its successful use of SAP-driven enterprise architecture initiatives. By studying Nestlé's journey, you'll see firsthand how a strategic EA approach can unify fragmented systems, optimize business processes, and deliver measurable outcomes. The primary goal of this bootcamp is straightforward: to equip you with foundational SAP EA knowledge, enabling you to actively contribute to your organization's strategic objectives and digital transformation projects. Because each learner has unique preferences, I encourage you to thoroughly review this free preview content. This will help you confidently determine if my teaching style, course structure, and the topics we cover resonate with your personal learning needs and professional ambitions. Ready to get started? Dive into the preview now and discover for yourself if this SAP Enterprise Architecture Bootcamp is the right fit. I'm excited for you to begin your SAP learning journey.